Did you know the way Social Security works is changing asterisk right now asterisk? If you or a loved one relies on these benefits, you want to pay close attention. The Trump administration just rolled out major updates, and they could impact how you access your money, verify your identity, and even understand how decisions are made behind the scenes. Asterisk asterisk transparency shift, asterisk asterisk. Starting March 2025, the SSA now publishes asterisk weekly public reports asterisk breaking down policy decisions, processing times, and internal discussions. No more black box feeling. Asterisk asterisk fraud crackdown, asterisk asterisk. New rules require in-person or online verification. No more phone updates to combat scams that stole $33 million plus in benefits. Asterisk asterisk why it matters. Asterisk asterisk faster processing 1-day versus 30-day delays for direct deposit changes but potential hurdles for seniors less comfortable online. But here's the catch. These changes aren't happening in a vacuum. Let's talk about who might struggle and why critics are sounding the alarm. The hidden challenges, who's left behind. Asterisk 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 the problem. Asterisk. Asterisk asterisk ADM calls asterisk asterisk to SSA's helpline in 2020 for to 40% led to completed claims. Cutting phone access risks isolating vulnerable groups, rural seniors, low-tech users. Asterisk asterisk office closures. Asterisk asterisk 26 field offices are shutting down amid federal downsizing. 57K gives 50K employees. Longer waits. Fewer helpers. Asterisk asterisk real-life impact. Asterisk asterisk imagine an elderly parent without a car or computer trying to update their banking info. Advocacy groups like AARP warn this could become a crisis. Asterisk pushback. Asterisk. Over 60 lawmakers demand a slower rollout, calling it rushed. SSA argues it's necessary for security and efficiency, but is the trade-off worth it? So, what can asterisk you asterisk do to stay ahead? Here's your action plan.
Your step-by-step guide. Stay protected. Asterisk 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 action steps. Asterisk 1. Asterisk asterisk create a My Social Security account now. Asterisk asterisk free. Requires email SSN. Bookmark the SSA's ID checklist for in-person visits. 2. Asterisk asterisk monitor weekly reports. Asterisk asterisk spot policy shifts early posted online YouTube. 3. Asterisk asterisk plan for delays. Asterisk asterisk fewer staff plus more appointments equals longer waits. Help loved ones schedule visits. Asterisk now asterisk. Asterisk future watch. Asterisk President Trump's nominee for SSA Commissioner, tech exec Frank Besignano, could push further toward automation. Will it help or hurt? Asterisk closing call to action. Asterisk drop a comment if you faced hurdles with the new system. Your story helps others. And subscribe for more clear breakdowns on the policies that affect your wallet. Stay proactive, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.